Pain is everywhere. That gnawing feeling that no matter how hard you push, how many late nights bleed into early mornings, the damn breakthrough never comes. That frustration when everything you've built, every plan, every promise, still feels like it's slipping through your fingers like dust. It's crushing, not just the results, but the very core of who you think you are. You're angry, restless, caught in a storm inside your own mind, and every external problem, the market shifts, the people failing, the systems rigged, just throws fuel onto that fire. It's like running a marathon with no finish line. And the worst part? No one told you the rules are rigged, the track is a maze, and the real enemy isn't outside, it's inside, hiding exactly where you never thought to look. That enemy is not the economy, not the competition, not the trends. It's the blind spot you refuse to confront. Self-awareness. It's not some fluff or luxury reserved for monks and gurus. It's the ruthless, raw power that rips the veil off all lies and forces you to face yourself like never before. Your habits, your fears, your repeated failures, they all live in that space you avoid. But here's the brutal truth. No change, no genuine transformation, no leap into what you were made for happens without facing that mirror. Right now, you're either a slave to patterns that drain your energy, or you become the architect of breaking every chain. So stop. Stop everything in your mind that wants to rationalize why things haven't changed. The single most valuable thing you can do today, catch yourself, right when you're about to fall into autopilot. When you feel irritation, jealousy, defeat creeping up like poison, don't bury it. Dissect it. Ask yourself, what is this really about? Not some surface answer, but deep, uncomfortable, bone-deep truth. Name it out loud. Own it. Because hiding there is where your power is locked up, guarded by the loudest voices of your own excuses. And here's where most people fail. They chase motivation, they follow distractions, they bolt to quick fixes. You kill that impulse. Instead, obsess over your inner reality. Journal your feelings like your life depends on it, because it does. Meditate not to escape, but to stare down your demons in their eyes. Track your reactions like a scientist who must discover a fragmented code no one else can see. This micro-revolution inside is your foundation. The moment you master this, everything brittle in your external world begins to collapse and rebuild. Stronger, clearer, undeniable. This is not about being soft or sentimental. It's ruthless, because self-awareness tears you apart to save you. It destroys illusions about yourself, your choices, your identity, and in that destruction, freedom is born. Suddenly, the systems don't own you. The false comforts don't cage you. The fake promises of the world's lies fall flat. You see every pattern that's been holding you hostage. You know exactly what to do next because you're no longer reactive. You become the force that shapes your reality with precision. Here's the next step. No excuses. Pick your biggest frustration right now. Break it down. Find the emotional trigger behind it. Then relentlessly track it through the last 30 days of your decisions, conversations, even those moments before sleep. What lies beneath? Pride? Fear? Laziness disguised as strategy? Answer honestly. This is the fuel. Then, build a brutal routine around addressing that root every single day. Not once a week, not when you feel ready. Now, force yourself to confront it through action. A new habit, a call, a truth spoken even if it hurts. Start small, but start. The truth is, the real power lies in the few who refuse comfort, who forge terrifying self-honesty, who build their freedom from the inside out. Founders, leaders, investors, you are not lost. You're misaligned. And alignment comes only through this painful, beautiful visibility inside. So embrace that fire gnawing in your gut. Let it consume what's weak so you can rise as what's real. Self-awareness is the root of all change because it's the root of all freedom. You are not your past, your title, or your mask. You are the warrior inside who decides today to tear down illusions and rebuild ruthlessly. This is your call. To stop running, start seeing, start acting. Nothing will be handed to you. The world is broken because it forgot this truth. You won't be broken if you remember it. Look inside, find your chains, break them, and watch how the impossible bends to your will.